In May 2024, an officer was called to aid a Wisconsin state trooper with a vehicle traveling through West Salem, Wisconsin. The trooper had advised the suspect vehicle was refusing to pull over for emergency lights and was driving recklessly on the interstate. It was later discovered the vehicle was being operated by a 40-year-old male named Joshua, who had 2 prior OWI offenses.
Slow down to 66, but all the way.
As the officer was responding to the call, the trooper advised Joshua had crashed his vehicle and fled on foot.
Yeah, I hear him.
The officer soon located Joshua in the eastbound lane on the interstate, where he saw him drop his shorts down and proudly shake his masterpiece toward the officer.
So he's in the eastbound lane?
Joshua then pulled his shorts up while standing in the traffic lane and struck a T-pose as a semi-truck approached at 70 miles per hour.
Get on the road! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I'm going back. Stay on, stay on top of it. Got it. 608 to 95. That's yours? Yeah. Mine's somewhere underneath them. What? Mine's somewhere underneath them. Oh, okay. You want to double lock these up? Dude, what the hell's your problem? I'm crazy. No shit. What the hell, man? Where are you coming from tonight? I don't know. Where are you guys? What's wrong with you? I got you going 95 on the interstate. I just going home. We're going to get these guys back. I can get mine. Other deputies on the way. I'm going to do my flashlights. He was just kind of 55-ish, right lane. All of a sudden, boom, just off, like, took the exit and just ramped it right towards Peterbilt. Well, just so you're aware, also flashing these fire departments in the road. Oh, I've seen that. Okay. I'll grab my squad and I'll come down this way. I'll just drive down the on-ramp. Sounds good. You got it? Got it? All right. Oh, there are more deputies coming. They're actually all going. Yeah, center. Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah, we're on to the dumpster.
While being searched in front of the squad car, Joshua began hitting his head against the hood, causing damage that was later discovered.
Listen up. Sorry. Stand up my squad. My guys gotta be so close. Stand up my squad. So you guys are my best friend. Okay, here. You have anything on your pockets? So I have to commit tomorrow. What are you saying? Because I'm going to commit suicide tomorrow. Hey. Kill me. No! No! I'm your sister. Whatever it is. Go. My mom. You got anyone else coming? Right there. Oh, yeah, let's go. Well, I'm at the jail. He's just gonna fight.
I'm just trying to understand. I know people, you guys are fat, you guys know everything. Yeah, I know everything. But I'm going to hell, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Go down, what, you gotta do anything about it. Lon's got me, my Jewish friends got me. I'm gonna kill the family, you should die. Mom's gonna die, wife's gonna die, baby's gonna die. Yeah, piece of shit. Welcome to hell. What? You guys need hurt? Very aggressive. Okay. Take me to jail, kill me. Don't worry, my grave, your family. Just enjoy yourself. What do you guys want to do next?
I'm gonna search him, I think. Sorry, I fashion head in my wrist. Okay. So, did you search him? Not yet. I'll just have to. You guys good? Yeah. Until we figure out where. Gonna get him into a squad somehow. You got a sound on? Yeah. Fine, you call you one. Can't have my slide down here. Time we spent this rifle. Let me go. Pastor, yeah. You good, yeah? Huh? I can't hear you, bud.
Josh.
Josh?
Yeah, you ready?
I'm good. What's your last name, Josh? What made you take off tonight?
I'm
You crazy? Why? Why do you say you're crazy?
I feel right.
Everything's fine, bud. Are you okay? How are you feeling right now?
I'm fine.
You fine?
You never do that other thing.
You were in an accident and I tackled you in grass.
That's alright, don't worry. I keep an eye on everybody.
You want to stand up now, or you want to just sit here for longer? What do you want to do?
I don't want to waste any money. Are you guys wasting money or
No,
what?
we're not wasting any money.
I'm trying to save money because that's not a company that's saving money.
Your company what?
I don't know. You guys are not trying to waste money. Just drop me off by home.
Where's your home, bud?
I don't know. Where we got?
Do you know where you're at?
Yeah.
Where are you at right now?
Drop me off by
Whose car is that you have?
I don't know. Do you want to drive it?
No, I don't want to drive it.
It's fine.
It got crashed. I'll get you off the wet grass and put you in my spot. You can behave.
I don't know. Really?
Well, I need a yes or no, Josh.
Yeah, fine. Jeez.
Yeah, you're going to? Alright, I'll help you up. I'll help you up, right? Here, kick your knees forward.
I'm not going to follow me for it.
Alright, ready? We're gonna sit up. Here. I'll get my door open.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Yeah, we're gonna go right here, bud. Right here, Josh.
Oh, that's not my car.
Go okay.
Oh, jeez. Can you have my pants up?
Yeah, just pants. There's bottom.
Yeah, just put them in.
That's the one.
You guys are fine.
Yeah, thanks, bud. Did he drop his pants and jump behind that car accident? Yeah. Oh, sorry. No way. This close. This close.
You jump out of the way, or?
Am I supposed to wait up? Does I leave? Yeah, I do leave. I'm sure he'll call in. So, what do you want to do? Take him down. Take your flashlight.
Where's his car?
This car is crashed.
Up there?
How big is it? In my jurisdiction. What did he hit? He hit the fence in front of Peterbilt, right by his spawn. Tell me to take him to jail. So you have to go to jail. I'll go to jail, so you don't lose. And then what if we lie? You can get free of him. Where am I going with him for you? Because you just have to go get your squad. Yeah. Well, he's going to fight. He'll fight the nail. Yeah, like we can try. You want to do a forced blood draw? You've been throwing hands with protesters all week. Yeah. What's one guy? Just another day. Unless you consent, there's that chance. There's a chance. Sounds like 5%. Yeah, she's got her K9 on her. Contact 612 as a news force.
Is this guy stable? What's going on?
Rumble strips, bud.
He's driving 55 miles an hour at least.
Yep. Just get over the rumble strips, my man.
Is he on drugs?
What's that?
Are you on drugs?
I'm not.
What kind of drugs are you on?
I'm not on drugs. Those are just the rumble strips.
Miles an hour? For a reason? What's going on?
Who's driving?
What are you trying to about? I can't tell you about that.
You must have gone sideways, huh? 'Cause that tire, they don't line up.
We're back to bed.
Okay, go ahead and wrestle, all right?
Careful, I can easily overtake you, just so you know.
What's that? I didn't hear you, bud.
Me and my boys can overtake you wherever we want.
Okay.
Just so you know.
Stay. I don't want it that way. She's a little aggressive.
He was then transported to the hospital for a legal blood draw, but his behavior only continued to escalate.
What are you doing, Josh? Huh? Josh, what's your last name again? What's your last name? Can you tell me your last name, Josh? We're at the hospital because you were in a crash.
What?
You were involved in a crash with your car. What's your last name? He's a little bit more with it now. He's like, where are we? Like, ma'am, really?
Snap to it.
And then, like, heard the rain coming. He's like, is it raining out? I said, yeah, man. I'm gonna pull inside so you don't get wet. Just tackled him on the eye. No big deal. Just run around the interstate. So,
I always miss all the fun.
he almost, whatchamacallit, that FedEx truck, this close to smoking him at full speed. Wow. I was like, and then he jumped over. That would have been.
I've seen videos of this.
That would have been close. That would have been something I would not be coming in tomorrow for.
That would have been right. Oh, that would have been some.
Hey, Josh, he's been trying to set the cost off. You got it. Will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your blood? Yes or no? Oh, is that a yes or no? I need a yes or no response. Okay. You here now? Okay, just making sure.
What time is it?
What time is it? I don't know, man. It's like it's almost 4 o'clock.
I wake up.
Huh?
What do you eat for breakfast?
I don't know, man. What should I have for breakfast? Eggs? Have some protein? I think I will. Eat that here.
Oh man, you guys gotta let me go. Shit, I'm mostly worried about what I'm capable of. Retards running this town. Fucking idiots running around and banging each other. You guys messing the wrong person. I'll eat your children! You!
What's going on, man?
You'll find out. Here.
Josh, what's wrong? What's wrong? I don't know. Why'd you just headbutt the divider there?
What's your last name?
What's that?
What's your child's name?
I'm not gonna tell you my child's name.
No.
What's up, Josh?
What about it? What?
You're like a piece of shit. Okay. Retard.
Your wife, your daughter.
I can just get across one here, across me.
You what?
What?
You.
What'd you say?
Nothing?
What? You got blood on your head, so I wouldn't recommend hitting your head on the windshield. You hear that?
Any chance you have a deputy by mail or cross police officer available?
Retard?
I'm a retard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just told you that, and you look like a retard. I'm born a retard. You! I love you.
Yeah, he's just getting more amped up. Is that Dana?
Back it off. You're not hurting me by doing that, dude. You're not hurting me at all, so you probably should stop.
I'm gonna sue you.
For what? I'm not causing you to
Being a
headbutt.
gay retard?
It's not illegal.
Being a gay retard is illegal.
That it's not, but
My head is bleeding right now.
yeah, it is.
And gay retards are illegal. In the state of Wisconsin, gay retards are illegal.
Want me to just get him on a bed? Deputy's on his way.
I'm getting busy here, yo. Does anybody know where the hospital is?
Where the hospital is? You're at the hospital.
No, you guys aren't medical.
Nope, I'm not medical. I'm a cop.
And you're all white.
I'm what?
You're fat. Okay. Just let me go home. Homosexuals!
He's, I don't know if you heard.
This guy hit me in the face.
What? Who hit you in the face? I did? Oh, I did. It's on camera. It shows exactly that you were headbutting yourself. I didn't touch you, bro. I headbutted my divider twice now. Bleeding pretty good bites for it. Say that again. You don't make any sense. What? I do not have a cigarette. I don't smoke. Can't smoke in here either.
Hey, just open the door. I'll come out. Come on, jeez. You gotta stop freaking out. Settle down. Just open the door. I'll come out. Come on.
You're the one that needs to settle down.
I'm settling down. Can you just open the door?
Remember you headbutted my squad? Yeah. I have a dent. Yeah. I put the criminal dash copy. Don't worry. About this close to being underneath the semi? Yeah. Semi locked up quick. He almost tipped it. I saw that. His trailer went like on all the tires. Yes, his rear trailer.
Alright, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna crash my car in the police station.
You gotta quit doing that, man. You're bleeding in your eyes.
No, just let me go. I'm just walking.
You're in my squad because of the trooper. That's the only reason I'm here.
I'm just stand right here like this.
So we just sit there, yeah. You can sit right there.
I'm not walking here. Just stand right here. I'm just trying to make this. What's wrong there? I'm more lazy, bro.
Joshua was charged with felony battery threat to an officer, misdemeanor counts of operating while intoxicated, third offense, operating with prohibited alcohol content, and criminal damage to property. He also earned himself over $2,300 in traffic citations. Ultimately, he was released a few days later on a $1,500 signature bond. In June 2024, a Grand Traverse Sheriff's deputy was monitoring traffic when he observed a speeding black vehicle in Blair Township, Michigan. Due to a countywide computer network shutdown, the deputy refrained from making stops for minor violations at the time. But later on, the same vehicle passed by the deputy once more, traveling an estimated 75 miles per hour in a 55 mile per hour zone. As the deputy began following it this time, he also observed that the vehicle did not have a visible license plate. When he activated his emergency lights, the 27-year-old male driver parked at a McDonald's, rolled up the windows, and quickly slumped over.
Yo. Hello.
Central 955, will you start me another unit? He's refusing to talk to me.
He subsequently removed the key from the ignition and climbed into the back seat, pretending to be asleep.
955, he crawled in the back seat. He's acting like he's asleep.
Howdy. He came flying past on 31 once, and then he did it again. So I stopped him this time. He was going to go straight through, and then he pulled in the left turn lane. He pulls in here, stops, and went to open the door. They talk, and then he climbed in the back seat. I think he put the key under the seat. Yeah. I pulled right behind him, and I came up to the window, I knocked down the window. I'm like, hey, and he just crawls in the back seat and goes to sleep. Yeah, if you could. If you want to just write it down, I'll read it off to you.
Oh, yeah, shoot.
After running the VIN, it was learned that the vehicle's plates were expired and were not registered to the driver.
Yeah, he's running like hell.
Did you get a speed?
No, he passed me earlier, westbound, and then came back eastbound. I'm like, oh, not twice. Yeah. And then he was going to go straight through, and at the last second, he kind of pulled at an angle left turn lane right in front of me, and I saw I didn't have a plate, so I let him up and pulled in here, and he was sitting in the driver's seat, and he just sitting there, so I knocked on the window, and he kind of leaned against the window, and then he crawled in the back.
They also discovered his license was revoked, and he had one prior OWI.
Sounds like obstruction to me.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a window, too.
It's already expired. He's not the RL. No, of course not.
That'd be too easy, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if I got that. I don't.
Since shining the lights and banging on the roof failed to get a response from the male, they decided to use a more effective approach to get his attention.
Hey, open the door. You're under arrest.
Break the window, dude.
Hey, your window's going to be broke. Open the door.
You see his hands, Jeff?
I can see his right hand, but his left hand is under his body. I didn't see he had anything when he crawled back because he was in the driver's seat. So, last chance, open the door. Let me see your hands now. Get out. Hands now. Hands now. My hands are up. Whoa, dude. Whoa.
You're gonna get tased, guy.
Whoa, I don't want to get tased. Come out of the car. Whoa, you guys. Get out of the car.
Yes, sir.
Taser, come on, let's flash, guys. Well, you should. Yes, let's go. Out of the car. Guys, listen, go. Show me. Be safe. Be safe.
As they attempted to take him into custody, the deputy could smell an odor of intoxicants coming from the driver.
Sorry, stop pulling away from me.
Hold still.
Is this worth going to jail?
No, sir. Then what are you doing?
Are you drunk or high or something?
No, sir.
Then what are you doing?
I just didn't want to get arrested. Well, look what happened. Is that a good plan? No.
Happy with your decision?
No, sir.
I've seen dumb people, but you're pretty good.
Oh, my God, sir.
Go on your side.
Sir, I'm not trying to...
Is this car stolen or something?
No, sir.
Dead body in the trunk?
No, sir. No, sir. What the...
Yeah. That's our question at this point.
Why didn't you talk to me when I came up to you? Roll over. Roll over. Oh, my shoulder. Oh,
Hang on.
okay. I'm hanging, officer. I'm hanging. What is that? What is that? It's a crumb. I'm not a cook. I'm a line cook. That's a crumb. That's a crumb from bread. I'm not talking to you. I'm not saying it's anything. Just be quiet. Okay. That's my uncle's car, man. That's my uncle's car. I was just sleeping in it. You weren't sleeping in it? I was sleeping in it. That's my uncle's car. Okay, I'm talking. Yes, sir. I'll talk to you. Yes, sir. Oh, my shoulder.
Yeah, your mess is on their way. They're gonna come take those probes out.
Oh, no, sir. I'm good. I can walk home.
No, you can't.
Why not?
Okay, listen.
I'm not as easy as you, but I can walk.
So you're under arrest, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney. If you can't afford one will be appointed to represent you if you wish. If you decide to answer questions and change your mind, just say so, and I'll quit asking you questions. Yes, sir. Do you understand that? Do you understand those rights? It's a yes or no question.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand those rights? Are you willing to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
You're a good guy. I can tell you're a good guy.
Okay, so tell me what happened.
I have been here trying to get McDonald's.
No. Okay. Let's start over. Okay. Because I'm not stupid, and I'm treating you with respect. So don't treat me like I'm an idiot.
No, I'm just cold.
No.
And the taser hurts.
Yeah, it does. So tell me what happened.
So I got out of work today.
Okay. You got out of work.
And I just tried to go home. I'm just trying to go home.
Where do you live?
Yes,
So why are you coming this way?
Because I couldn't find the keys in my camper.
Okay. So you went flying past me on 31.
Was it you at that place?
Yeah. And then you came flying back. So you're coming to get your keys?
I'm looking for them.
Okay. I stopped behind you at the light there, and then you turned in here, and I put my lights on before we turned in here, right? Do you see me behind you? You see me behind you? Did you see me behind you with the lights on?
I don't know you, sir, but...
I don't know you either, but I still have my flashing lights on, right? Hey.
Meth? You got meth? You found meth on me?
You got meth?
No, sir. I don't do meth. I've never done meth.
What do you just drink?
No, sir.
Have you been drinking tonight?
No, sir.
Okay, so then why when I lit you up and you pulled in here and I came up to the door and was knocking at it, why wouldn't you talk to me?
Because I don't have driver's license.
You don't? So why wouldn't you talk to me? And then you climbed in
I
the
just
back?
bought the car, sir. I just bought the car.
I understand that.
I just bought the car, sir. I'm just trying to get home, sir.
Okay, well, would you haven't had anything to drink?
No, sir.
Okay, would you be willing to take a PBT for me?
No, sir.
You wouldn't?
Okay.
Make sure you're not going to take it for it then? Because it smells like you've been drinking.
So it smells like he's been drinking, so we're on that road too.
Good work.
I have not been drinking.
You have not been drinking? No, then why won't you take a PBT?
Because I have not been drinking.
Well, then that's all the more reason to take a PBT. Because I think you have. So what'll happen is I'll get a search warrant and I'll get your blood anyway. So it just makes things harder on you. So what's your first name?
Rick, was it ambulance?
What's your first name?
Rick.
Is it Richard?
Yes, sir. Richard Whiting.
What's your real name, Richard?
What does that say? What does that say?
Big mouth guy.
Not Richard. Did you think I was going to go away? Did you think I was going to leave?
No, you're gonna take care of me, aren't you?
You bet.
You're a good guy, man. I know you're a good guy. You're gonna take care of me. You're gonna bring me in jail, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Can I stand up?
No, you can't.
No, sir.
Hi, we gotta get the hard out for you.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Oh, they're on my hands. They're on my hands.
Yeah.
I got right here. You can grab from me. You can grab from me. They're right there. Yes, ma'am.
Straight.
Straight? Okay.
Let's do this. We're gonna get the one on your shoulder. I know it's hard with us.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah, that's a prickly. That's a pricker.
Another one.
Oh, what do they call it? The pricker?
Oh, they're called barbs.
The barbs? Prickers? Oh, can I just walk home? Can I go to jail?
Yeah, I already told you you're going to jail. It's between his legs up front.
It's under, yeah.
You might have to have you might
Let's
have
go on your right hip for me, home.
Yes, ma'am. Where do you want me to go to?
Kind of want you to just like that. Perfect.
Okay, it's cold out here. I can't believe it got so cold so fast tonight.
It's not cold.
No, it did. It got so cold so fast tonight. It did.
We're never home before this rain. Just keep them up.
4x4, this is not a truck situation. We don't need a truck for this.
That's true.
4x4, that's not necessary. Can I see medical attention?
Yeah, that's what you got.
Because I'm in serious pain right now.
Well, next time open the door. It'd be much easier.
You guys really frightened me. I'm just sorry. It's really frightening me all of a sudden.
You were so scared you climbed in the back and went to sleep? Wow.
I almost shit my pants, brother.
Really?
I almost shit my pants.
Yeah, that's when the window broke. Before that, you weren't scared.
I definitely shit my pants there.
Yeah.
I definitely shit my pants.
Yeah, before that, I don't think you were scared, though.
No, I don't want to shit my pants.
Yeah.
No, nobody does.
Yeah, please don't.
Nobody tries to. Dude, it does get cold.
How long you had this car?
I just bought it today.
Today? And you bought it from your uncle? What's his name?
No. I bought it from my uncle.
You bought it for your uncle?
Yes, sir.
Who'd you buy it from?
I bought it from a guy in South City.
Do you know his name?
Yep, his name's Aaron.
Eric?
Aaron? Double A. There's an A at the beginning and an A afterwards and then Aaron.
Yeah, I got it. Do you have any paperwork at all?
Yes, sir.
Where is it?
That's my camper.
Where's your camper? All good?
I'm good, boss. You all good? I'm okay.
All right, I'm gonna have you stand up, all right?
My hips are back. My hips are hurt. Okay. Wait, can I? Okay, yeah, sure.
How are you going?
Yes, sir.
Come back here? What tension up? Yeah.
It's cold out too, you know? I'm shivering, jeez.
I think that's adrenaline. That's why you're shivering, because it's not really cold.
It was warm earlier.
Yeah, the sun was out. It does that.
Is this tribal? Are you guys tribal police?
Right.
Are you guys tribal police?
See that?
Grand Travelers? Oh, you guys are San Michigan?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you guys are
That's where you are. And have you have a seat in the car.
Oh, state police. You guys are B-shots. I need to B-shot too.
All right. Go ahead, have a seat. Sit in the car.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think so. It's hard to...
He was subsequently taken to the hospital for a legal blood draw, during which he reportedly became verbally and physically combative. Throughout the process, he repeatedly demanded water or access to the restroom. He also made threats towards the deputy, claiming he could beat the deputy in a fair fight, and bragging about being the best wrestler in the state. He then threatened to sue the deputy for not allowing him to take a piss. As a result, the 27-year-old male was charged with felony resisting obstructing an officer and misdemeanor operating while intoxicated, second offense. Ultimately, he was released nearly 12 hours later on a personal recognizance bond, also known as a signature bond.